Welcome to multido food. Today we've got a challenge where our heroes will be in boxes with lots of buttons. And whatever they click on gives them a hilarious treat. Whoa, what a cool challenge. I hope there's something nice hidden behind this green button. Well. I think Lily already pressed a button. Are you ready for the first batch of yummy treats? This time you got pickles. Ugh. They're just as green like pickles you clicked on. They're also really nasty. What a mess! Gosh, that stinks. These are pickles? Well, when they're in a salad, I like them. Maybe I'll like them just like this. You know, I thought it could be worse. Hey, thanks. These are actually pretty good. Do you want to try? Ugh, how can you eat that stuff? Well, if you don't want it, just say so. I'd better go to Susie. Maybe she'll pick something delicious. That is, if she clicks on the right button. I really don't want to make a mistake. Ooh, I like this yellow zombie button. Let me try that one. Good choice. Now Susie's gonna get a whole bowl of brains, but just the gummy kind. I love this stuff. Here, Susie, catch. Brains! That's so scary! Where'd you even get them from? Why do they look like that? So gross! Hey, wait! These brains don't look like real brains. That's it! They're just gummies! Gosh, I was really scared.
ये क्या है? चलो चेक करके देखते हैं। ये तो जेली लग रही है। बहुत मज़े की है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। हाँ, चलो आगे देखते हैं आगे क्या। यमी, बहुत मज़ेदार। चलो ट्राई करती हूँ। कोई अलग सा बटन दबा। ये क्या है? मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है। मुझे डर लग रहा है बहुत। मुझे कोई बचाओ, बचाओ, बचाओ। डर लग रहा है। मुझे बचाओ कोई, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है। मुझे डर लग रहा है। ये लो, पकड़ो इसको, पकड़ो, ये लो, पकड़ लो इसको और मुझे जान छोड़ दो। पकड़ो। बहुत मज़ेदार। ये तो फिर भी आ रहे हैं। मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है। ओह शुक्रिया। मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूँ। थैंक्स। ओके, थैंक्स मेरी पिक्स देने के लिए। ओके, थैंक्स। बाय बाय, बाय बाय। कितना सुंदर था ये सब है। मेरी कितनी अच्छी पिक आई है। चलो अब इनको अगला टैलेंट देते हैं। अगला क्या किया जाए? ये क्या है? सोचना पड़ेगा कुछ। ये क्या है? चलो ट्राई करके देखते हैं। यस, मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं। किसको दबाया जाए? यस, रेड को दबाते हैं। क्या होएगा, क्या होएगा? सोचते हैं। यस, आइडिया आया मुझे। ये केक भेजता हूँ नीचे। बहुत शानदार केक है ये तो, बहुत शानदार केक। चलो ट्राई करके देखता हूँ। बहुत मज़ेदार और क्रीम के साथ। माशाल्लाह, बहुत खूबसूरत और बहुत मज़ेदार है। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। चलो भेज देता हूँ नीचे। क्या कर सकते हैं? ये लो। क्या ऊपर से आया? केक मज़ेदार, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत शानदार, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ेदार है। चलो नेक्स्ट भेज देता हूँ। ये लो। मेरे सर पे लग गई। मेरा काम था। मुझे लग गई।
such big chunks. They were really hitting me hard on the head. I should at least enjoy the cream. Hey, why am I just standing here? So yummy! Although my head does hurt now. There's even a huge bump right on the top. Uh-oh. Well, before Lily gets mad at me, I'm gonna move over to Susie. I just chose a button. I think blue looks pretty trustworthy. Whoa! Susie wasn't as lucky as Lily, but she still got something pretty good. Susie's gonna get a lemonade. Be careful, the ice makes it a little cold. Yeah, it's getting cold in here now. I could freeze to death. All because of this lemonade. I don't want to drink all this. Eat these lemons yourself. Here you go. Ah, what are you doing? My eyes! Serves you right. Take that. Whoa, apparently that ice is really doing its job. I want yummy treats! Come on, yellow button. You didn't let me down last round. Don't let me down in this one. I think a button was pressed. Lily chose yellow again. And she got lucky a second time. Because in this round, she's gonna get a whole bunch of strawberry jam. Look at how big of a jar I have. There's enough for everyone. Again, something delicious that I have to share with Lily. Hey, what's going on up there? I'm waiting for the jam. All right. Here it is. How cool! I was lucky again. Who knew this challenge was going to be so awesome? My tummy's all filled with yummy treats. Even this jam is amazing. Gosh, it's so delicious. Susie, it's your turn to press a button. I want a summery color, so I hope green won't let me down. Susie, you're in luck. Well, you would be if you were a bird, because you got bird food. I haven't tried it myself, but I guess some people like it. Susie, let me know what you think later. What's this? Seeds? What do I do with those? I'm not a farm animal. I guess you'll have to be now, because you got plenty of this stuff coming your way. Yeah, I didn't get so lucky. Who would have thought that they'd give you food for pets? Do I really have to eat this? Sure you do. Whoa! Hey, where'd all these birds come from? Shoot! Get out of here! Here! Hurry up and take the food! Just don't touch me! Fly away from here! I don't need the food! Here, have it all! I think things have settled down. Phew! What's that smell? And what's that dripping? Oh, disgusting! I'm covered in bird droppings! This is so gross! Finally gone! Susie, looks like you made pretty good friends with those birds. Gosh, you stink! Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Ooh, that smells bad.
क्या हो गया ये इसके अंदर क्या है? चलो दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट मिलेंगे, अगली वीडियो में मिलेंगे, और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक दें, और क्या
प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं हम. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट से मिलेंगे हम.